Hi there guys, so today I've got an unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, 1 TB of storage in the colour silver. So this is an upgrade for me from the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which might be a bit soon, but we will see. I really like the fact that there's an actual new design this time around. So yeah, let's take a look at the phone itself. Wow. That silver does look very clean and fresh, to be fair. And I kind of like this new, obviously, dual tone with the clearer white back and then the more silver. I think it does look really nice. Let's pull the phone out. Wow. I really wanted a black. Like, I was very surprised that they didn't release a black colour in the Pro Max or the Pros this year round, but because I do always have black phones, but I really actually like the silver one. I think it's very clean looking. So we've got the action button, the volume rocker, the SIM tray because we are in the UK. First time I've ever had a camera button. Let's take off the paper. Wow, just looks lovely. What else do we have in the box? Well, you'll be very surprised to learn that we literally just get the USB-C cable to USB-C and the SIM eject tool and a little pamphlet. I don't think we even get stickers anymore. It's quite literally just energy rating and setup guide, and that's everything. So that was quite literally a very quick unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro Max in the silver colour. Yeah, it's quite a chunky boy, isn't it? It's quite chunky, quite thick, but hopefully that just means better battery life. Let me know if you've got any questions in the comment box below, and thank you for watching this really quick unboxing.